Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get a louder mix in logic-only way. Begin by setting conservative gain staging and trim any peaks at the track level. Use subtractive EQ to clear competing frequencies, then apply gentle compression to glue parts together. Bus groups and parallel compression help add perceived loudness without crushing dynamics. Finish with a transparent brickwall limiter and monitor levels to avoid excessive clipping. Start by balancing relative levels and keeping peaks under -6 dB on individual tracks to preserve headroom. Insert gain plugins to match perceived loudness before any processing, so meters reflect true levels. Route similar instruments to buses and group process to avoid overprocessing each channel. Maintain conservative fader moves while checking meters and spectrum, and always leave headroom on the master for mastering or final limiting later. Organize your chain with subtractive EQ first to remove mud and masking, so compressors react to the right signal. Use a glue compressor with a slower attack and medium release to retain transients while controlling body. Add parallel compression or gentle saturation for harmonic richness and perceived loudness without pumping. Bus processing lets you shape groups together, and the final limiter should only add a few decibels of transparent gain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.